Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, what I'd like to demonstrate is the revised ROI Editor. There's been some enhancements to the ROI tools that have made the operation of the program a lot easier than in previous versions. This version is available in 1.8 and beyond. You'll find the revised tools for the editor. Okay, so if I want to draw 3 regions of interest on each of the channels, I simply select all 3 channels so that they're all selected, and I ensure that I have an ROI calculation plugin on each channel. So you'll want to make sure that this calculation is on 340, 380, and ratio. Once these calculation plugins are on, you'll be able to draw it using any of the tools on the toolbar here. So we'll pick an ellipse, and then I'm going to draw an ellipse, and I'm going to go over to the selection tool and just position that ellipse where I want to. Notice when I position the ellipse, it moves all 3 ROIs. Okay, in previous versions of the software, you had to go individually and move each ROI. So that's a new enhancement that's been changed. It's a lot nicer to work with. So then we simply rewind the transport and we hit play, and we can plot those ROIs. And we'll toggle the visibility of 340 and 380, and we can take a look at the ratio here. Okay, for future use, you can also save these ROIs to a template. So what I can do here is save to template file. This is a new enhancement as well. We had templates before, but these ones are a lot nicer. So let's call this my ROIs Fura 2, and we'll save that right here to a template file. Also, deleting the ROIs, if I go to the list box and I pick a single one and hit delete it, notice it deletes all 3 ROIs because they're all linked. Okay, so when I save that template, you'll notice, or when I load the template, I will have to choose which channel I want. If I just want to load an ROI back onto the ratio channel, I just select the ratio channel, and then I say add ROI, and it'll add the ROI to the selected channel. We have to make sure we solo the channel that we want to bring it in on, which is soloed right now. So we'll say add ROI. I'm going to choose the one we just saved, and you'll see now that it's only added it to the ratio channel. So if I just want to calculate ratios, I just need to load that ROI into a single channel. Okay, another common thing would be people want to have the same ROI for each cell so that they're comparing the same relative ROI areas. What we can do is just load another ROI, and now you can see I can move it, and it's exactly the same area. So I can do this multiple times, and now we'll have the identical areas. So then we just rewind the transport, hit play, and now we're calculating identical areas for each ROI. Right. So those are some of the enhancement to the ROI list box. You can see the parameters are updated here in real time. We can also calculate area, and there's a separate tutorial for calculating area. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks very much.